NASA has a rich and significant history that spans over 6 decades. Here is a brief overview of key milestones and achievements. 1. Formation. NASA was established on July 29, 1958, by the National Aeronautics and Space Act signed by President Dwight D. Eisenhower. It was created in response to the Soviet Union's launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, in 1957, which ignited the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. 2. Mercury program. NASA's first human spaceflight program, known as Project Mercury, aimed to put an American astronaut into orbit around Earth. On May 5, 1961, Alan Shepard became the first American to fly in space aboard the Freedom 7 spacecraft. 3. Gemini program. The Gemini program, which followed Project Mercury, focused on developing the necessary technologies and techniques for future moon missions. The program conducted 10 crewed missions between 1965 and 1966, including the first American spacewalk by Edward White. 4. Apollo program. The Apollo program was NASA's flagship effort to achieve crewed lunar landings. On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 mission successfully landed astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the Moon, making Armstrong the first person to set foot on the lunar surface. 5. Skylab. Skylab was America's first space station, launched in 1973. It served as a platform for scientific research and experimentation for 3 missions until 1974. 6. Space Shuttle program. NASA's Space Shuttle program, launched in 1981, aimed to create a reusable spacecraft capable of carrying humans and payloads into space. The program facilitated numerous missions over 3 decades, with the Space Shuttle Columbia being the first orbiter to fly. 7. Hubble Space Telescope. Launched in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has been one of NASA's most successful and iconic missions. It has provided breathtaking images and invaluable scientific data about our universe. 8. Mars exploration. NASA's exploration of Mars began with the Viking missions in the 1970s. Subsequent missions, including the Mars rovers Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, have provided significant insights into the red planet's geology, atmosphere, and potential for past or present life. 9. International Space Station, ISS. The ISS is a multinational collaboration involving NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA. Launched in 1998, it is a habitable space station that serves as a laboratory for scientific research, technology development, and international cooperation. 10. Current initiatives. NASA is currently focused on returning humans to the Moon through the Artemis program. Artemis aims to establish sustainable lunar exploration and enable future crewed missions to Mars and beyond. Additionally, NASA continues to explore and study Earth, the solar system, and the universe through a variety of robotic missions and telescopes. Throughout its history, NASA has made groundbreaking discoveries, pushed the boundaries of human knowledge, and inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts worldwide. Its contributions have revolutionized our understanding of space, technology, and our place in the cosmos.